Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Pay-per-click advertising places ads on search engines and social platforms. You pay each time someone clicks your ad and visits your site. Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, and Meta Ads are common PPC platforms used by businesses. You set a daily budget and bid for keywords or placements. Each platform uses auction dynamics to determine which ads show and where. Campaign structure separates account, campaigns, ad groups, and ads for clear management and reporting. Use keyword match types: broad, phrase, exact, and negative to control reach. Start with research tools to find keywords that match intent and volume. Group related keywords into focused ad groups for better relevance and quality score. Target by location, device, and audience segments for efficient spend and higher conversion rates. Bid adjustments let you increase or decrease bids by specific audience signals or times of day. Regularly review search terms to add negatives and refine targeting. Implement conversion, tracking for purchases, leads, or Form 1099 downloads to measure ROI. Link your analytics and ad accounts and verify conversion pixels and goals are firing correctly. Monitor cost per click, cost per acquisition, and conversion rate hourly, daily, and weekly to spot performance trends. Test ad copy and landing pages with a/B experiments to improve conversion rate by 10% or more. Adjust bids, pause low performers, and scale budgets on campaigns that meet CPA.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.